There's footage and records of objects in the skies that we don't know exactly what they are. We can't explain how they moved, their trajectory. And so, I think that people still take seriously trying to investigate and figure out what that is.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have two video clips I'm going to show you. If you want to find out more information, look down in the description. There's a whole description about each one of these videos. There's going to be two clips I'm going to show you. This was released probably about a month ago, and of course it was taken by the Pentagon and stuff, but it's pretty interesting that of course the Department of Defense actually released this information. But you're going to see the videos in its entirety. I'm not going to try to talk to them, explain them. So I'm going to quit my yap and I'm going to go ahead and let these play.